We left the hotel. Now we're on the plane to Taipei. This morning was a whole feat trying to get to the airport. We waited like over half an hour for our taxis to arrive at our hotel. And check-in was just kind of crazy. We had a lot of extra baggages, I guess. Like we had one extra and everybody else was able to make the weight limit. So it was a whole thing. We just landed. We got this bus all to ourselves.
Your mom dropped us off.
We just arrived at our first restaurant in Taipei, and it's this famous fish restaurant, and they want us to pick the fish that we want to eat.
Wait. That one. Here. Wow!
It's a water ride.
Wow. Oh my god.
I want this one. It says 3 in it.
So then what does that mean?
3.
From a bit, did it?
3.
Wait, so we got extra and the fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Good. Oh,
Yeah. Alright, we just arrived at the Airbnb and we found out about all these stairs.
Take one at a time. Joey, give me your water.
None of the girls are carrying their luggage.
Assembly line here.
I know, we got an assembly line. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Our dryer is not drying any of our clothes, and we've been trying to figure this out for the last 2 hours.
Actually, this is really good.
Alright, we're at a night market, and we're waiting for everybody else to get here.
Tim was ready.
Tim was ready to be in it. I didn't let him be in it, but we're at the night market.
Goes my heart just breaking. Boom goes my baby, no mistaking. Boom goes my heart just breaking. Boom goes my baby, not aching.
It's pretty good. I just got my first boba milk tea in Taiwan, and it's super good. We got breakfast.
These are cold if you guys want cold.
I'll take hot. But you want hot or cold?
Oh, I want cold. We have iced and hot soy milk this morning. First Fontuan of the trip. There's scallion pancakes all around instead of rice. Just tried the soy milk and it is so good. You need to learn how to make this when we get home. Right now we're on the way to go to a place called Jiufan to go get some food. I have a bug bite update and it's much better. Last time I updated it was like 4 days ago. Didn't end up going to the doctors. They're making meatballs right now. We're walking through the market right now and it's a little bit hot and humid. A lot of the air feels kind of thin right now. We're getting some famous shaved ice with taro ball, and we're gonna look at a view while we eat it. We just got the shaved ice. We're at a waterfall right now. On the way to a waterfall.
And then
We finally got to the waterfall, and it is so pretty.
Oh, fuck, this shit hurts. Hey, you wanna get in? Fuck no! For good luck.
Look at my makeup. Half it's gone.
You're the
You
funny
see the
girl.
flying lanterns? Actually,
No, where?
up at the top.
They're the lanterns that we're gonna do. We're walking another bridge to go release some lanterns.
Ooh, there's another one coming. All of them. Everybody.
换我就是1、2、3号，1、2、3，OK，
全部都是这个嘛。可是你们转。
We're at Taipei 101 now.
What's that?
What's what? I don't know what Taipei 101 is. It looks like just a big mall, right? I don't know.
It's a building.
It's a building, just a building. We're getting an Uber to go to dinner now. We're at Hot Pot now.
Going crazy today.
We are partway through eating all of our food. We've had way more than this so far. We're about 23 plates in.
No, we're
I
not.
feel sick.
1.7.
Okay, we're on plate 30 and oh my god, I feel sick.
Remember, we are at 23. I ordered 3 more. So that's 26. Plus all these right here.
Oh my god.
Plus the one they gave us earlier.
Oh, and then also
It's on their fucking on third play. Well, everybody's like +4, +6 already.
We had like 5 tea eggs.
no, I didn't. I had like half of one and then 2 eggs.
Yo, that tea egg staring at me right now.
Yeah.
Jeff's taking a shit. Jeff's got ma.
First meal of the day is eating at Din Tai Fung. We have Din Tai Fung back at home, but it's just really special eating here in Taiwan because it originated from here. So we're gonna see if it's better or not.
4? Or 2?
Just get 3 then.
3?
Then we're going on to something else. It's finding its
Nope. Okay, 106.
Your rice and ground pork, Shimai.
Does that have egg in it?
Do we want any
We're not there yet.
steamed shrimp and pork dumplings or any of that?
all yours?
Go first. Go first. Go first. Go first.
Yeah.
Go first.
Go.
Go grab it.
Grab one, Jim.
Here's recording. So go see that. Go at the same time.
Go.
I didn't touch it. Go that way.
Okay, you dip yours. You have to be easily over 1,000. Easily over 1,000.
Well, we could eat jumping again this morning.
Oh my god. This is so good. And you look at it.
19.
What?
I have to make
So
that at home.
good. Look at that. Look at that.
It's just sugar and vinegar. The freaking shallow house is like $23.
I'm Dr. Pepper.
So when we walk out, we go.
Oh my god. We're gonna walk a little. Just get it. Some vegetable, yeah. Eat some
Yeah, it's a vegetable food. She's not nagging, okay? She's just telling you.
What you say?
No.
Yeah.
We got boba, but we're walking in the rain now
Cheers.
in Taipei.